Hi, I'm Nick from Alpha Power Cleaners. Today we're going to be discussing the Tennant T12 ride-on scrubber dryer. In this particular video, we'll be discussing how to replace your brushes. To do so, you simply open the outer door on the magnetic strip. To release the brush, you turn the brush until you see the two toggles. You simply squeeze them together and this will release your brush. You then slide it out. To put the new brush on, simply slide it underneath the machine until it lines up with the drive dog. Get your hand underneath the brush and push upwards. You'll hear a click, and as soon as you hear that click, you know it is perfectly in place. Then it's just a case of doing everything in reverse. So you close the side skirt door, turn the toggle so it's fastened in place, close the magnetic door, and you're good to go.